the touch work, communication verbally, the dietary suggestions, and the energy exercises are the four main pillars of polarity therapy. But the practice is really more than just these tools and techniques. It's really, in the end, it's really about you. It's about you coming into a balanced place and center within yourself, a spiritual connection, you might say, to a greater sense of well-being, and then holding space for a client. Like, how do you come into a healthy relationship with the client to support them? There's a lot that goes on in terms of the therapeutic relationship, in terms of your own sensitivity and perceptual skills. So being able to perceive what's happening in the client and making decisions to best support the client's own natural healing process. It's a really beautiful, unique process, not like anything else that I know of. It can be transformative for anyone who's on a healing path or looking to support others in their healing. It's a creative process, and each individual who engages in it, it's like an artist. You learn certain techniques and you incorporate them, and then you make them your own. And so no two polarity practitioners are exactly alike, and no two sessions are exactly alike. Each one is a creative engagement with the life force that unfolds in a unique way for each person, for each session.